In this video, we're going to talk about the HubSpot File Manager, what you can do, why you should do it, and so much more. Hey, you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right, it's your boy George B. Thomas from SprocketTalk.com bringing you yet another HubSpot educational video. If you're a sales, marketing, or service professional looking to learn more about HubSpot and those inbound strategies to help your business grow, then guess what? You're in the right spot. Make sure you subscribe to keep learning more and use the comment section below to ask us all the inbound and HubSpot questions that you may have. Now, without further ado, let's get into the good stuff. Look, your website will include a variety of images, fonts, and other files for users to view or even download. Marketing Hub Starter, Professional, Enterprise, and even the legacy Marketing Hub Basic, as well as the HubSpot CMS, lets users like you host content right within the CMS by uploading your pictures, audio files, PDFs, and more into the HubSpot File Manager, which stores your web assets right on HubSpot's Content Delivery Network or CDN servers for easy use on your domain at fast speeds. CDN, fast speeds. So are you wondering, where do you find the HubSpot File Manager? Well, within your HubSpot marketing portal, navigate to Marketing, Files and Templates, and then Files, and you'll be there. If you have a Marketing Hub Starter account, navigate to Marketing, Email, and then click the More Tools drop-down menu in the left sidebar menu and select File Manager. Once you're in the HubSpot File Manager, it's as simple as clicking Upload Files to add your images, documents, or visual assets to the File Manager. And after completion, no need to save your files as they are automatically captured and stored in your CMS. One question we always get is, are there any file size requirements when it comes to these uploads? Or even it might sound like this: how large of an image can I upload? And great question. The good news is there's no limit on most file type sizes except video. There are a maximum of 2 gigabytes and a stream at 2.5 megabytes per second, though using HubSpot Video can grant you faster streaming ability. So upload to your heart's content, but let's go back to that how large of an image can I upload question. There needs to be some specificity here. Make sure you upload optimized images for visibility and load speed. Make sure you resize and compress your images before adding them to your HubSpot File Manager. Trust me, your viewers and readers will thank you. We also get asked if there's any way to modify your files once you have them uploaded in the HubSpot File Manager. Again, great question, and if you have those large uncompressed or unresized images in your file manager, this tip is going to help you a ton. Once uploaded to the file manager, you can edit your images by going to the side panel and clicking the clone and edit button. This will then allow you to crop and resize your images for better use on page. You can also organize your content into folders, rename, archive, download, and delete your media, or even easily insert them into your content. An easy to use HubSpot File Manager search functionality gives you the access to specific files amongst large quantities of data, so you can always find exactly what you're looking for fast, saving you time to work on those more important marketing jobs you have to get accomplished, because we all know we have jobs we have to get accomplished. Now, most of what we just talked about can be done from the File Manager Details panel. So let's take a minute and help you understand the File Manager File Details panel just a little bit better. Whenever you click into a piece of content inside your file library, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen. The File Details panel will show you the file's name, upload date, dimensions, size, visibility on your site, and more. And I'm sure in the future, even more. It's here that you can edit your file, allow you to rename or duplicate the image, or even replace it with a new one. Replace it with a new one. Think about that for a second. Speaking of images, I would be remiss if I didn't share with you the stock images powered by Shutterstock functionality that you have waiting for you in the HubSpot File Manager. Don't always have the right image? Need something in a pinch? Low on media budget this month? You get my point. There's a lot of reasons why this might be useful. Well, HubSpot integrates with Shutterstock to access thousands of professional images at your fingertips. You get a ton of free media options to use in your marketing content. Simply do a search, then hit the Save to Your Files button, and you're good to go. You can also set up a designated folder in your HubSpot File Manager for all of those stock images to be held for later use. Another quick tip, don't forget SEO best practices when uploading your initial files into the File Manager. Using keywords in your upload file helps search engines like Google to find your content, and while files can be renamed once uploaded inside of the platform, save yourself the hassle by naming them strategically before bulk uploading them. Now, let's get back to that file details panel. Another cool add-on inside of the files detail panel is HubSpot's "This file is used in" feature, which allows you to see the pages this current piece of content lives on across your website to avoid duplicate image use. Look, we've all been there, but if you have multiple marketers working on multiple assets, you might find that you've used the same image of that guy wearing that turtleneck. Well, it's easy to see which pages may need new image upgrades or updates so that your content looks fresh and different for your users as they're traveling your website. And that leads us to our next point. How the heck do you insert your files once you've uploaded them? Well, you can easily add imagery to your website or blog by editing that individual page. Simply on the page, click the rich text module where you want the image to appear and click the image icon. Once you click the image icon, you'll then see a panel appear on the right where you can search or find the image you'd like to insert right within your HubSpot File Manager. Click Add Image to place it within that module and you're good to go. You can also insert a video by selecting the video drop down in the same insert menu from that WYSIWYG editor. But what if you want to download your files out of your HubSpot File Manager? Now that's an interesting question, and no worries at all, we got you covered. Your HubSpot File Manager stores all uploaded files and you can easily download them in original quality for reuse elsewhere. Simply download individual files by clicking the More button inside of the File Details panel and choosing Download. Or you can even bulk download all your files by zipping them by clicking Export All Files Zip under the Upload Files button in the right-hand corner of the File Manager screen. One even more best practice is using HubSpot's File Manager on items like adding an SEO enhanced image description or organizing your folder structure and hierarchy, and even more. Well then, guess what? Check the description below and head over to the helpful best practices article from HubSpot themselves, linked below. Hey, did you like this video? Then head over to SprocketTalk.com for more actionable and tactical HubSpot user resources. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell as well for those instant notifications, and more importantly, so we know that you're part of the Sprocket Talk community. Until next time, make sure you're focused on being a happy, helpful, humble human. And as always, make sure you're doing some happy HubSpotting.